We're from Data Support Company and we'll be showing you how to use the HFT 2000 path analyzer, and we'll also show you how to prepare the sample. Okay, so when you run a test, you'll be needing one aluminum dish and two pads. These are disposable, so you cannot reuse them to avoid contamination. Contamination will cause you inaccurate result. So the first thing you do is that you put the sample pad, two sample pad on the aluminum dish, make sure that the smooth surface is on the is facing up. The smooth surface of the aluminum of the sample pad is the one with tiny grid lines. Okay, so you put it inside the chamber, and the one aluminum dish and two pads is about 3.5 grams. Okay, so once it's there, you press the tare button and it will zero out the reading. Okay, and then get a sample from your lot, which is about 3.5 grams. Okay, so I prepared here a 3.5 gram sample. So your target would be 3 to 4 grams of sample, so that's about 3.5 would be your target. Okay, so as you can see, I have here 3.675 grams. Okay, then you want to spread your sample on the sample pad, so you take it out from the chamber and then place it on a clean surface, free of any moisture, dirt and oil, and then you spread your sample evenly and as thinly as possible. Okay, but you don't want to spread the sample all the way out at the edge of the pad. You want to leave about a quarter of an inch, because sometimes the sample pops out of the sample pad when it's heated up, and that will mess up your reading. Okay, so as evenly and as thinly as possible. Okay, and then after that, you sandwich the sample between the pads, press it gently. Okay, and then flip it over in such a way that the pad where you originally spread the sample would be on top. Okay, and then after that, you put it back on the aluminum dish inside the chamber. Okay, then close the hood, and then the display will show test ready, and press the start button. Okay, so you press the start button and you will see that the halogen lamp is heating up, and that's it. That means that you're already running the test, and on display it will show you the percent moisture as well as the current temperature as well as the test time. Okay, now you will get the fat reading on the computer. Okay, so the blue column is the moisture, the same as is being displayed on the unit. Now on the brown column, that is where you're gonna see the fat reading. Okay, so at the end of the test, the result will be written down on this column over here, on the row, I mean. Okay, so that's it. And after the test is over, and if you want to run another test, all you have to do is press the tare button, and that will reset everything. Okay, and then you start all over again. That's it.